Hi there, this is Rajiv from rajivkisa.com. You probably know me now. You've probably seen all the other videos that we have done. I mean, all the other videos that I have done. I've shown you how to install WordPress, how to change the theme, how to create content, how to add Google Analytics. Today, I also showed you how to add widgets. Right now, I would like to show you how to add an opt-in. This is very important in the process of making money online. So obviously you need to get name and email addresses of people and offer goodies, right? So when you have set up your blog, I think the main thing that you need to do is set up an opt-in. So how do we set up an opt-in on WordPress? This is what we're going to talk about today. So this is my site that I just set up, 2 days ago, to show you guys. So I'm going to log in the backend again. So yeah, usually we use a widget to, I mean, not usually, but I use, you can do that through a plugin as well, but I use a widget. I think that's the simplest way to do it. So we're gonna go on appearance. I think the widget button is under appearance. Here it is. So we click on widgets. What we should be doing is adding it on the sidebar, on the right sidebar. At the moment, you've got recent comments, you've got RSS, you've got archives. So for example, I will take a text and a text widget box where I can copy and paste my code from Aweber or any other, that you can use. I use one shopping cart, so I'll get my codes from one shopping cart and post it here. So for example, you put the title, which is the title of your opt-in. Or something intriguing, and I'll copy and paste my code in there. This is the code I created from Aweber. I mean, I'm one shopping cart. You can do yours as well. It's just a list, yeah. So no, it's not very complicated. I'm sure you can do this. Okay, so what I did, I took a text widget, I dragged and dropped it on the sidebar, and then I put my title, and then I put my codes in there. So technically, if I go, I'll close this. So yeah, technically, if I go back to my demo site and refresh, I should be seeing an opt-in here. By the time it comes in, okay, here's my opt-in. Weird, so the fields are too long, so we need to go back and change that. I'll show you. I wasn't very familiar with these things, but I just use my a bit of common sense to see. For example, we type it here. I don't know programming myself, but these things I figured out by myself. Here you go. Let's try 30 in terms of instead of 40. Yeah, that's the size of how many characters you can put in there. So let's see what that gives when I refresh. Yeah, now I see that it's p is equal to 1, which is not really good. I should have set permalink, so I'll probably show you how to set up permalink in one of the other videos. Yeah, so now you see it's not exactly, it's better. It looks better than what it was before. Well, if you use, you can use proper HTML plugin here to make it look all good and stuff. You can use HTML to make it look red, blue, whatever. But this is the basic. I just showed you how to get your opt-in on your blog. I would make it a bit smaller. I think 30 is still too big. Decent amount. Let's put it 20 and see what that gives. That might be too small, but just for the sake of trying it so that you know what you're doing. There's certain things that, when it gets too complicated, you would just go to a program and get them to do it. you just come to me and say, hey, get your guys to do it. Um, Refresh. Let's see what comes up. Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it? Okay, recent comments doesn't look good first, so I would move this down. I would put my opt-in first. I like it better this way. So yeah, let's refresh. Here you go. Makes more sense. Yeah. Now I just want to clean up this bit, which means I need to remove the comments from here. This is the comment. So you know that you can, that's a cool theme actually. You know that you can disable the comments. I'm doing two things in the same post, I mean same video. I usually just go for one topic. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is the one. Let's go to edit. I think we should just disable the comments. Here is, yeah, this is it. Let's just, you'll see, I'll show you how. You see, this is allow comments in on this post. You'll just untick that. Trackbacks, yeah, it never doesn't hurt to have ping backs and stuff. Update this, go back here and refresh. That should disappear. Yeah, so no, that should disappear. Oh, you see, so the comments box has disappeared. All good. Okay, if you have any questions on if you've got any questions about WordPress, please don't get don't hesitate to get in touch on rajivkistu@gmail.com, or you can Skype me on rajiv.kistu. Yeah, that's rajiv.kistu.